Hey, what's going on, guys? It's 21J-Man back here with another video. And, I got another PC part today. And, I got the WD Blue hard drive. 1 terabyte. I got it a little bit on sale. For instead of like 50, I think it was like, I want to say $44. And so I basically just saved like $6. But still, WD Blue hard drive, 1 terabyte. Nothing much else to really say other than that. I started taking guitar lessons, so I've actually gotten a little bit better at guitar. I've learned a few songs, specifically by I learned the whole entirety of Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana. I've learned other stuff as well, but this isn't about my guitar or anything. So yeah, this video isn't about my guitar. It's about this little thing. So yeah, it's just a regular old PC hard drive. I don't really need much more than that. I'm not going to spend my money on an SSD. I'd like to have a little more storage. I'd rather have more storage than have it be a lot faster. That's a personal thing for me. I know a lot of people who would rather have like a less amount of storage and a lot of, speed in less storage. But me personally, 1 terabyte is perfect. If I had brought in enough money, I could have easily gotten just a 2 terabyte for a little bit, for only like $10 more. But I didn't have quite enough money on me at the time. I had about just enough for this. So yeah, that's basically this video. Is just saying I got another one, and there's gonna be more on the way, hopefully soon. I've been always keeping this off because of like so many things around school and everything. We took like so many tests over like the last week and a half, especially in language arts or English. A lot of them were from those, and that's why I haven't been uploading recently. It's just a lot of school testing, as well as, life, I guess. A little bit of laziness. However, I'm going to make a video tomorrow, and it's going to be pretty cool, because tomorrow I was part of this musical. That's also another thing. I was part of a musical for the high school, like our little high school musical thing. Not the High School Musical as in the movie with like Zac Efron. No. I was in a play called Urinetown. I was Old Man Strong. If you guys know if any of you know anything about Urinetown, you guys know what that is. Urinetown as in urine town, URINE town, and it was actually so much fun, and it's actually a really good play, regardless of what people think it is, just by looking at the title. And it's actually a great play, and it was so much fun. It's got some really good music. It's really it's a satire of a lot of plays as well. Other than that, not much else I can say. But yeah, during that, tomorrow is our cast party for like the cast, as well as some of the band, like the pit as in being like the orchestra that played along with us in the musical, as well as who am I trying to say? The stage crew as well. So yeah, that'll be a lot of fun, because that was such a fun thing to do. But tomorrow we're doing karaoke and pizza, so that'll be fun. I'm gonna see if I can like record my day tomorrow, like just pull you guys through what my day is like, do like one of those little vlogs. I tried doing those twice now with 2 different events, one going like up to a Blue Jackets game and one going to like a Newport aquarium, and just never really got around to it. But tomorrow I'm going to force myself to, you know, do that. So not much else I can say other than, yeah. And the reason I'm going to be doing that tomorrow is because we actually hit 25 subscribers on this channel, which is actually pretty dang cool. We're a little over 1,600 views overall, and that's really awesome, actually. And yeah, on my other channel, I think it's getting pretty dang close to 1,000, and I'm pretty sure that one hit like 20. I'll need to make another video for that. I haven't been so vacant on this channel as much as I have my gaming one. Oh boy. This one, I did release the Chaser. I finished releasing the Chaser EP, which I hope if any of you guys actually enjoyed that, leave a comment down below if you actually enjoyed some of the music that I actually released. Because I actually wrote a couple songs, which I was actually kind of proud of. And right now I have a song written, but I don't have any music to back it up. And I know the melody, I know what I want it to be. But I'd probably need like a band or something to play it along with me for me to really like express it. So yeah. Anyway, I got way off track. I was rambling on. WD Blue hard drive, 1 terabyte, new PC part, and yeah, I'm getting even closer and closer to finishing my computer. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit that like button as well as comment down below what you thought of this video. Anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace out, and bye-bye, everybody. Love you all.